Is your greenhouse just plain hot? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what to do to cool it down in these hot summer days. As you can see, the temperature in the greenhouse is well over 100 degrees, and it's just 9 a.m. It is scorching hot, even with both the doors open on either end. What's the solution? We are going to try a shade cloth. A shade cloth is fairly inexpensive, but can make a huge difference. We have purchased two 10-foot by 20-foot shade cloths that we are going to place on the outside of the greenhouse. The material is very airy and breathable. It shades but also allows light to come through. It is perfect for a greenhouse. The first shade cloth is up. It goes almost to the top and stops about 2 feet from the bottom. The raised beds are just behind this wall, so no need to shade the side of the raised beds. As you can see, you can still see through the shade cloth, but it will provide lots of shade inside. We are starting to put up the second one now, and it will overlap in the middle just a bit. It comes with grommets on the edges, so it is easy for us to put a J-hook in the wood and slide on the shade cloth. From the inside, you can see how the first section on the right is shaded but still allows light to come in. If I walk down here, you can see the difference. Here is the completed project. One other thing that we done to help cool the greenhouse down and keep it at a bearable temperature is added 2 solar-powered exhaust fans. They are side by side and do a great job. They come on when sunlight hits the solar panels and all the hot air is pushed to the outside. We still have some work to do to mount the actual solar panels, but I must admit they work great even with the shade cloths covering them on the outside. What have you found to work to cool your greenhouse down in the hottest parts of summer? Have you tried a shade cloth? What are your thoughts? I would love to know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.